Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love crochet and want to set stylish some style to your look, this video is just for you. Today I'm sharing beautiful crochet hair accessory designs, all handmade, trendy and super easy to make. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Let's get started. First of scrunchies. These are soft, stretchy and perfect for everyday use. You will see them in bright colors, floral designs and even with beads. Next, the crochet hairbands. From thin and simple to wide and textured, they are great for both kids and adults. Some even have cute bows or flower attachments. Check out the crochet hair clips, tiny flowers, butterflies, and here hearts stitched onto snap clips or berets. Super cute for little girls. And the favorite crochet hair ties with dangling charms are mini appliques like stars or teddy bears. These are perfect for schools or party wear. You will also love crochet head wraps, cozy for winter and stylish too. Some are designed with twist fronts or button details, and don't miss the latest trend crochet hair vines and bridal pins. These look delicate and beautiful for special occasions. So these were some lovely crochet hair accessory ideas. Tell me which one you like the most in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video with more creative crochet designs.